So youngsters, I would like to tell them that every time you feel that the door is closing, I'm not qualifying for this exam, or I haven't made the grade, that is simply because there's a better plan in store for you. A better door is too open, but you don't visualize it because you're so stuck on the door that closes, or the unhappy moment as you perceive it. Okay, this hasn't manifested for me, or this hasn't worked out for me, without understanding reality or nature, that God has a better plan, nature has a better plan, your life has a better plan, which is yet to unfold. सो ये सब बाद में रिट्रोस्पेक्ट में पता चलता है कि हाँ यार, अच्छा हुआ मैं वहाँ नहीं गया, अगर वहाँ चले जाता तो मैं आज यहाँ ना होता. Herein lies a message for you youngsters, that it's time is what is at a premium. It surprises me that in my country, where so many temples exist and there are so many millions of gods and goddesses that are worshipped, I find that there is no temple which worships the god of time. And even as we talk and communicate here with each other, I notice that the clock ticks. So the message to the younger lot is that time is what your most precious resource is. So make much of it, make most of it, and see as much as you can. All right?
तो जैसे आप आर्मी में गए तो फिर आपने वहाँ पर क्या ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस करे जो शायद आपकी लाइफ में सबसे यूनिक होंगे, और जो आप बताना चाहते हो किसी ऐसे बच्चे को जो जिसका एग्जाम नहीं निकला, या वो अपनी स्ट्रगलिंग फेज में या डीप फेज में या डिप्रेस हो गया, तो वो क्या सोचे इस चीज को लेके, मतलब लाइफ के बारे में वो क्या फंडा रखे कि एग्जाम उसकी जर्नी डिसाइड कर रहा है या एग्जाम उसकी लाइफ डिसाइड कर रहा है, या वो अपनी लाइफ बना सकता है आगे भी, और बहुत सारे रास्ते और भी हो सकते हैं.
The Officers Training Academy when I was about 21 years old, straight out of college, and I did my entire schooling from a boarding school, Mayo College Ajmer, where I spent the period between 69 and 76, 77 batch. We were the last batch to do what the 11th class, and after us, the education system, it converted to the 10+2 pattern. And I was a pure art student in school. And after passing out of school, when I joined St. Stephen's College in Delhi, I did my history honors from there, before joining the Officers Training Academy. And I joined the training academy about a couple of months after I passed out of college. So it was all very quick. Did not go in for a post-graduation or something. And perhaps it was just that passion for soldiering which basically came from the fact that my family has been serving the Indian Army for about 4 generations now. So my father, my grandfather, and my great-grandfather, they were all part of the Indian Army.
So army is like blood में ही आ गया था पूरा.
So exactly. So I think the armed forces just runs in my blood. That's how it is. And thereafter, it was a journey of more than about 3 decades with the Indian Army. And all that I can say is it was like a dream, absolutely. These preceding 30 years that I spent with the military, that I spent with the outdoors, and it enabled me to travel. I think by nature, I'm a traveler, and the military enabled me to travel to the remotest places in our country. And ours is a huge country. You have glaciers, you have deserts, you have forests, you have cultivation, you have rivers, you have the sea, and the best kind of jungles, and what a fantastic plethora of plantation and wildlife and nature. So I often think that the average Indian doesn't even get to see his own country in his lifetime.
Absolutely true.
So herein lies a message for you youngsters, that it's time is what is at a premium. It surprises me that in my country, where so many temples exist and there are so many millions of gods and goddesses that are worshipped, I find that there is no temple which worships the god of time. And even as we talk and communicate here with each other, I notice that the clock ticks. So the message to the younger lot is that time is what your most precious resource is. So make much of it, make most of it, and see as much as you can.
Yeah,
All right?
absolutely.
Absolutely. In life, there really are no rewinds. So this cassette player of life doesn't have a rewind button, and it doesn't have a fast forward button either. There is only the play button. So you press play and enjoy the passing moment.
What a wonderful thought. We
So
actually,
uh, so don't resist too much. It's like, as I said, it's like riding the rapids. You don't resist, you just flow with the energy, you flow with the power of the water. And the way when you do this river rafting, you just flow with the current, you know and you ride the gorge, and you ride the water, and you ride the rough patches and the even patches, and you enjoy that. So life is something similar to it. And if you try and resist too much, choose too much, manipulate too much, I think overthink too much, it just complicates things.
या और आज के ऐसे यंगस्टर्स में एक और जैसे बड़ा अच्छी सवाल है लाइक जैसे कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड बहुत इंक्रीज हो गया है लेस सीट्स आते हैं बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स हैं एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि हर फैमिली का एक प्रेशर रहता है कि तुम्हें भी ये बनना है तुम्हें भी वो करना है एंड उसमें ऐसा होता है कि 99% इंडिया के सबसे बदलू 99% बच्चे वो चीज़ अचीव नहीं कर पा रहे या क्वालिफाई नहीं कर पा रहे तो दे ऑलवेज फील कि अब कुछ नहीं आगे
बहुत ही मैं सोचता हूँ कि व्हाट शुड आई से, इट्स अ वेरी it's like, again, trying to situate your appreciation. You're not flowing with the energy, you're not flowing with nature, or you're not flowing with what the ultimate superior authority or God or what nature has ordained for you. You are trying to situate it, manipulate it, manifest it in an unnatural manner. So let things unfold beautifully, So every time, to the youngsters, I would like to tell them that every time you feel that the door is closing, I'm not qualifying for this exam, or I haven't made the grade, that is simply because there's a better plan in store for you. A better door is too open,
Yeah.
but you don't visualize it because you're so stuck on the door that closes, or the unhappy moment as you perceive it,
Yeah.
Okay, this hasn't manifested for me, or this hasn't worked out for me, without understanding reality or nature, that God has a better plan, nature has a better plan, your life has a better plan, which is yet to unfold. सो ये सब बाद में रिट्रोस्पेक्ट में पता चलता है कि हाँ यार, अच्छा हुआ मैं वहाँ नहीं गया, अगर वहाँ चले जाता तो मैं आज यहाँ ना होता,
हाँ,
जहाँ हूँ.
ये तो फैक्ट है सर. आपने भी काफी सारी चीजें छोड़ी होंगी लाइफ में,
बिल्कुल.
बट उसको जब आप दोबारा याद करते हो तो शायद आपको याद आता होगा कि हाँ जो भी किया अच्छा किया. और ये द रेस ऑफ द मनी इज देयर. लाइक आजकल यंगस्टर में रेस ऑफ द मनी इज देयर. हर कोई कॉम्पिटिट करता है यार, मेरा वो थोड़ा सा मैं इतने कमा लूँ, ये कर लूँ तो लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी. बट आई थिंक जो मैंने आपके साथ भी एक्सपीरियंस किया ये चीज़ को, और बड़ा अच्छा लगता है ये चीज़ शेयर करना, और सर भी बताएंगे इस चीज़ के बारे में, दैट मनी से भी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट एक एक्सपीरियंस है जो आपकी आंखों से आपने दुनिया को देखा है, और वो जो रिकॉर्डर है वो कोई कैमरा ही उसे कैप्चर नहीं कर सकता. इट्स इम्पॉसिबल टू कैप्चर दोज मोमेंट्स.
पैसा एज अ रिसोर्स और वट एवर इज़ व्हाट शैल आई से, सिर्फ एक साधन है, उसकी सिर्फ आपको ज़रूरत है दीदा. इट इज़ paper currency, and you need it because when you go out, you're traveling, you need to put in some diesel in your car or whatever. And moment you get very obsessed, then you get into this great race to nowhere, and you get obsessed by this race, and I feel, that's my personal considered opinion, that every day there must be 1 million people dying with $1 million in their bank account. And to what account and to what avail? Isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Just a perverse satisfaction that you have a Punjab National Book passbook, and that passbook puts in a certain figure in it, and you feel so, do you feel very sort of secure that I have this, or it's there? It's pointless. I think moment you get into that kind of groove, it's the end of living. You're not really living, you just exist. So the fun goes. So I think that life is just great fun. It's how you look at it. And the only thing is I envy you all because you are younger, so you have so much more time than perhaps us.
Yeah, तो मीन्स टाइम इज द मोस्ट लाइक ऐसी चीज़ है जो टाइम से आप कोई चीज़ रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकते. यू कांट रिप्लेस टाइम. तो इफ एनी ऑप्शन इज देयर बिटवीन द टाइम एंड द मनी, आई थिंक यू शुड चूज टाइम, बिकॉज
Absolutely.
टाइम वो सारी ऐसी चीज़ हो गई जो जो अलग ही लाइफ की एक्सपीरियंस देती है।
Absolutely.
सर आपने तक ट्रैवल किया है, इतनी जगह देखी है, इन द मतलब टोटली ट्रैवल के पीरियड में से बच्चे भी बोलते हैं कि ट्रैवलिंग सर इज़ लाइक अ लग्जरी होती है, एक्सपेंसिव होता है। और मेरे को याद है अपने टाइम पे, मैं कॉलेज के टाइम पे जब पैसे नहीं होते थे तो हम लोग बस का टिकट लेते थे, पहुंच जाते थे, दो दोस्त का खाना खा लिया, उधर खा लिया, हॉस्टल का एक 8 रूम का एक बेड वाला रूम मिलता था, उसमें एक बेड ले लिया, मुश्किल से 100 रुपये 150 रुपये लगते थे।
Hmm.
पर वो लोग लोग जानते ही नहीं है मतलब उनके बारे में। और वो ट्रैवलिंग लोग समझते हैं कि ट्रैवलिंग बहुत अच्छी लर्निंग देता है। तो आपको क्या उससे लर्निंग मिलती है जो मतलब इतने साल के एक्सपीरियंस है कि जो एक बंदे को जाके खुद वो चीज़ सीखनी चाहिए?
As life unfolds, I think it's also important, and you're fortunate, the company that you keep. तो इस सफ़र में अगर आपके पास अच्छी संगत है, as you walk on, I think that's a wonderful experience. डेस्टिनेशन तो किसी को नहीं पता क्या है, अल्टीमेट मुकाम तो सोचा जाए तो कब्र ही है. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग डेफिनेटिव
हाँ, जो
कि
फिक्स है।
एग्जैक्टली. सो रेस्ट इज ऑल वेरिएबल्स, you know, and it's so exciting. And I find that the most beautiful thing about life is uncertainty. अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ कि आई मीन कल सवेरे 11 बजे तुम्हारा ये हशर होने वाला है, तो हो सकता है हम आज ही ना मुरझा जाएं. You see, but the most beautiful thing is the uncertainty, है ना? So the only thing I have learned, the only thing certain is uncertainty. And I think that's the joy and the beauty of this journey.
और आइंस्टीन का एक लॉ भी है, लॉ ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटी, और बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लॉ है। और वो एक्चुअली में लोग लगा नहीं पाते, मतलब साइंस पढ़ तो लेते हैं लेकिन साइंस को अप्लाई बहुत कम कर पाते हैं, और जो अप्लाई करते हैं उनको वो तो
साइंस की मुझे कोई समझ नहीं है. I just studied pure arts and that was it. So really a very uncalculating mind. है ना, मैथ्स भी नहीं पढ़ा मैंने तो. I think class 5 or 6
आई थिंक
I
अच्छा ही
got
किया आपने, तभी
half
आपके
on
इतने
30. I don't know what I got the half for. Maybe a good handwriting or something. So very very unscientific mind. But yes, I studied history, geography, literature. These were my pet subjects. I like history. I like to know places that I go to. I like to know about the ecology, the terrain, the plantations, the animals that live here. You know, the culture. Our land is so diverse. So many different types of people, different eating habits, different cuisines. So even as you say take a train travel and you travel from say Delhi to Bangalore or something, you cross so many states en route, you know, traveling across India, and you see the changing landscape. It's very very pleasurable, absolutely.
Yes.
So different. So our land itself, as I said, you know, the average Indian doesn't even travel the whole of India in his lifetime. And this country offers you everything, as I said,
Yeah.
from rivers to gorges to dams, waterways,
और
the
एक ये
sea,
व्यू
and views like this that you see. I mean, this is a unique view
and
where we're
it's
sitting,
total
actually.
credit goes to केडी अंकल,
And it's all unexplored.
और यहाँ पर
Yeah.
सही में एक्चुअली में कोई भी नहीं आया है। हम लोग एक्चुअली फर्स्ट गेस्ट हैं जो यहाँ पर आए थे, और मैंने इसका एक छोटा सा वीडियो अलग से भी मैं इसमें अपलोड करूँगा कि ये प्रॉपर्टी मतलब कैसी है। और जैसा मैंने इनसे भी बात करी, तो जो यहाँ के राजा थे, डॉक्टर राजा राव साहब,
हाँ.
तो ही गॉट लाइक 3000 एकड़ ऑफ लैंड, और उसमें उन्होंने ये चीज़ बनाई है जिसमें बहुत ही कम डेंसिटी और एक कॉन्सेप्ट बनाया, नया कॉन्सेप्ट। तो इसके बारे में हम डिस्कस करके एक बार कभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो जरूर लेंगे।
This is like, this place is so unique, and you are in absolute harmony with nature over here, and you can feel the air that you breathe. And as we drive into the city, you will see the difference.
एयर प्योरीफायर लगा हुआ है था,
Natural.
नेचुरल।
God's own air purifier, absolutely.